Hello friends, welcome to MAT Accounting for Joint Stock Company Issue of Share Capital. Under this we are going to discuss oversubscription and pro rata allotment. Let's see what is oversubscription. Oversubscription of shares. When a company receives applications for more than the number of shares it has offered to public is called oversubscription of shares. If the company is financially strong, the public will subscribe more number of shares than offered by the company. Such case, the company deal with oversubscription in three ways. Number one, accept some applications in full and reject the others totally. And number two, make pro rata allotment. Number three, adopt a combination of above two. Let's see the example. ABC Limited offers 1 lakh shares to the public. The issue was oversubscribed. It receives applications for 2 lakh shares. Say in this case the company offered only 1 lakh but the public subscribed for 2 lakh shares. This called as oversubscription. Such case, when the company decides to allot the shares at pro rata basis. So such case company will decide to allot these shares in the pro rata. Then it has to allot 1 lakh shares to the applicants of 2 lakh shares. Thus, the ratio will be 2 lakh is to 1 lakh. It means 2 is to 1. Who applied for 2 shares? A company will allot only 1 share. So, this allotment only called as pro rata allotment. Let's see. Hence, an applicant for 2 shares will receive 1 share. This is called pro rata allotment. Let's see the practical problem. ITC Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as rupees 3 on application, rupees 4 on allotment, and the balance on first and final call. Applications for 70,000 shares had been received. Applications for 8,000 shares were rejected, and the remaining applicants were allotted for 50,000 shares on pro rata basis. The excess amount on applications was adjusted towards the amount due on allotment. All the shareholders paid the amount due. Journalize in the books of company. Let we discuss the question first. A company offered to public a number of shares is 50,000 shares. The rate per share is 10. This 10 rupees company going to collect in 3 installment, 3 on application, 4 on allotment, and the balance 3 rupees is on first and final call. How we will get 3 rupees? Total 10 per share minus 3 minus 4. The balance we will get 3 rupees on first and final call. But in this company, the public applied for 70,000 shares. A company offered only 50, but the public applied for 70,000 shares. So it is an heavily oversubscribed. Like 20,000 shares, it is an oversubscribed. Let's see what company is doing. Applicants for 8,000 shares were rejected. What company did? Company rejected 8,000 shares. Once it is rejected, the money will be repaid to the shareholder, and the remaining applicants were allotted for 50,000 shares on pro rata basis. The balance 12,000 shares a company is allotted according to pro rata basis. The excess amount on applications was adjusted towards the amount due on allotment. For the 12,000 shares, a company going to adjust the money in allotment. Let's see the working note. Equity share capital 50,000 into 10 each. Total 5 lakh company going to collect from the public as a share capital. This 5 lakh company going to collect in 3 installment, application, allotment, and first and final call. In this question, at the time of application, a company received 70,000 shares into 3 each, 2 lakh 10,000. Less transfer to equity share capital 50,000 into 3. The company issued only 50,000, so company should transfer to equity share capital only for 50,000 shares into 3 each, 1 lakh 50,000 rupees. So 2 lakh 10,000 the company received. In that we need to minus 1 lakh 50,000, which is transferred to share capital. The balance 60,000 rupees is an excess application money. That means 70,000 shares minus 50,000, balance 20,000 into 3, 60,000 rupees is an excess application money. In this excess application, company rejected and refunded 8,000 shares into 3 each, 24,000. The company refunded to the shareholder 24,000 out of 60,000 rupees. The balance 36,000 with the company. That means 20,000 shares minus 8,000. The balance 12,000 shares into 3, a company going to adjust in allotment. And in the second installment, equity share allotment due. The due is an 50,000 into 4 each, 2 lakh rupees is an due. But the company received already 12,000 into 3, 36,000 at the time of application. This 36,000 rupees, a company going to adjust in allotment as we seen in the question. So less paid on application, 12,000 shares into 3 each, 36,000. At the time of allotment, a company will receive only 1,64,000 from the shareholder, as shareholder paid already 36,000 at the time of application. So in this question, they allotted the shares according to pro rata basis. It's partly allotted, partly not allotted. Third installment, a company going to receive as first and final call. So equity share, first and final call, 50,000 into 3 each, 1,50,000 company going to receive. Let's go through the calculation once. A total number of shares received by the company, 70,000 shares into 3 each. But the company will transfer to share capital only 50,000 into 3 each, because the company issued 50,000 shares. So company should transfer only 50,000 shares to equity share capital account. And the balance 20,000 shares is an excess applications. Out of this excess 20,000, a company refunded 8,000 shares money. The balance 12,000 shares company going to adjust in allotment. Even in the allotment stage, 50,000 shares is an total due, but the company received already 12,000 into 3 each, 36,000 at the time of application. So now company adjusted that 36,000 rupees here, and the balance company receiving 1,64,000 rupees. Now we need to record the journal entries in the books of company. So we should write the heading journal entries in the books of ITC Company Limited, and we should make the format of date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. The entire capital company will receive from the shareholder through company's bank account. Now the shareholder depositing first installment into the company's bank account. So we need to debit the bank and we need to credit to equity share application account 2,10,000, 2,10,000. Here we debited bank because bank balance increasing. According to American approach, bank come under asset category. When asset increase, we need to debit it. So bank balance increased because of first installment, so we need to debit the bank and we need to credit equity share application account. And we should write the narration being equity share application money received for 70,000 equity shares of ₹3 each. Now the application money we need to transfer to equity share capital account. Second entry, equity share application account 70,000 shares into 3 each. Company received 2,10,000 rupees. Now a company transferring to equity share capital account to equity share capital account 50,000 into 3 each, 1,50,000. Total received by the company 2,10,000, but the company transferred only 1,50,000 to equity share capital account because the company issued only 50,000. So company should transfer to share capital account also only 50,000. And 8,000 into 3, a company refunded to the shareholder. We need to credit the bank to bank account 8,000 into 3 each, 24,000 we need to credit the bank. When bank balance increase, we debited. Now the bank balance decreasing for 8,000 into 3 each, 24,000 we need to credit it, and we need to credit to equity share allotment 12,000 into 3 each, 36,000. This we are going to adjust in allotment stage, so that is the reason we credited to equity share allotment money. So this 2,10,000 rupees we need to transfer 1,50,000 to equity share capital, and we need to refund 24,000 to the equity shareholder, which is rejected, and we need to adjust remaining 36,000 into allotment stage. We should write the narration being equity share application money transferred to equity share capital account, and excess money ₹24,000 refunded and 36,000 adjusted in allotment. After receiving the application, a company will allot the share. After allotment, a company will send a intimation to the shareholder to pay for second installment. Before paying, the company will transfer allotment money to capital account. So we need to debit equity share allotment account 2 lakh, to equity share capital account 2 lakh, and we should write the narration being equity share allotment money due for 50,000 shares of rupees 4 each. So here we credited capital because a capital increasing in business 2 lakh rupees. After due, the company will receive the due amount from the shareholder. Bank account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share allotment. Here the company received 1,64,000 from the shareholder because total due is in 2 lakh. The shareholder paid already 36,000 at the time of application. Now company is adjusting the 36,000 here. So 1,64,000 company received from the shareholder. And equity share application account 36,000 which we received in the application we adjusted here, and we should credit to equity share allotment account 2 lakh rupees, and we should write the narration being equity share allotment money received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 4 each, and application money adjusted. After receiving allotment money, now company will receive the first and final call. So we should record for first and final call. So equity share first and final call account debit 1,50,000 to equity share capital account 1,50,000. Here the first and final call money transferred to equity share capital, being equity share first and final call money due for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 3 each. After due, now company is receiving third installment from the shareholders. We need to debit the bank at the time of receiving third installment from the shareholder, and we need to credit to equity share first and final call account 1,50,000, 1,50,000, and we should write the narration being equity share first and final call money received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 3 each. Hope you understood this particular concept of oversubscription. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.